Hi friends, good afternoon. How are you all doing? Guess what? I want to talk to you today about ProvaDent, which is a supplement that can help you maintain the health of your oral hygiene without visiting a dentist's office like all the time. And believe me, having a beautiful, big, bright, white smile is really refreshing. You know, when you look at someone and they smile and you just fall in love with their smile, you can be that type of person as well. So I want to talk to you today about ProvaDent. Make sure you stay in this video up to the last second because there's just a few things you have to know about it before you begin a treatment, okay? And I know lots of people have lately been asking questions like, is ProvaDent really that effective? Is it powerful? Does it deliver what it promises? All these questions I will be answering today, so make sure you do stay tuned. Now, below this video, I left their official webpage. You've probably already realized it. Head over there after you finished watching this video if you would like to know more about it, and also if you would like to purchase it, okay? But guys, as I was saying, ProvaDent, it is 100% healthy. It's safe, and it can help you basically, you know, remove that yellowness from your teeth, that yellow crust and stuff like that. So with ProvaDent, you can basically have probiotic strains in your mouths, making like that total cleanse. You know, it's like a little SWAT army, removing bacteria, removing germs, and just helping your teeth to thrive. So what you get in ProvaDent is basically organic xylitol, biofresh clean complex, purple carrot powder, 4 strains of probiotics, as well as cranberry extract. Now these are amazing ingredients that have potential benefits in promoting oral health. Best to say, they help you to whiten your teeth, they help you to remove plaques and bacteria and germs. Now, when we're talking about gums that are sensitive, or if you're a person whose gums is always like bleeding or swollen all the time, the 4 probiotic strains in ProvaDent can basically help you to go directly to that infection, to that inflammation, and start to clean it from there, to start to solve the problem, you know? So these probiotic strains are extremely what makes ProvaDent so phenomenal, because they help to deliver amazing and quick results as well. So there's a lot of great benefits you get with ProvaDent, you know? People get fresher breath as well. It helps you with your gut. It helps you to cleanse your airways. So it is truly fantastic, because here this is just a normal supplement that is 100% organic and is free from GMOs. You know, you just have to take your treatment seriously. You can't do a 3 or a 6 month treatment. People who also use ProvaDent, they say that this has been helping them to, you know, not use up too much money on dental procedures as well. So think about that. You do have a 60-day money-back guarantee in case you like do a treatment with ProvaDent, but you end up not liking it. You know, you just contact them and they will help you on the official webpage. But give it a shot. You know, this is a fantastic way to go an extra mile in taking care of your oral hygiene, which is just as important as your overall health, guys. So think about that, all right? For now, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I'll see you beautiful people next time. Bye.